Hello everyone, this is the Hang. Today, I will teach you how to make fruit salad. You will enjoy healthy, nutritious food that can be easily made for breakfast, brunch, or dessert. A very healthy dessert, of course. Also, explore its versatility in different ways to enjoy it more today. I choose a mix of fresh berries for fruit salad in the summer. This is an excellent source of vitamin C and has a vibrant taste. And this is very basic fruit salad. Everyone can make it. Very simple. Let's dive in. Wash and rinse the berries, the strawberry, and combine the blueberries, raspberries in the bowl. And cut the strawberries into four. If you have small sized strawberries, cut into half. And use one or two orange sections in the bowl. This is how to section the orange. It's good if you have seedless orange, that you don't have to pick out the seeds when you section it before you put it in the bowl. I will save the orange and peel for another recipe. I don't want to waste the food, right? Instead of using sugar, I use maple syrup for sweetness. 1 or 2 tablespoons maple syrup. Pour the maple syrup into the bowl. Yeah, I'm very happy with my salad. Yes, toss them gently. I don't want to break the raspberries. And it's great for breakfast, brunch, or dinner. And serve 1 cup per person. Add a dash of Grand Marnier or your favorite liquor for a fancy grow-up twist when you invite guests for dinner, right? Maybe next weekend. Now, to add some excitement to your fruit salad, especially for dessert dinner, I have meringue kisses and passion fruit cream and a refreshing scoop of French vanilla ice cream. Either homemade or store-bought vanilla ice cream, use your favorite brand. On top with more crunchy meringue kisses and more passion fruit cream into the cup. Or use lemon curd or use pastry cream for a scrumptious treat. There. Look at this. Looks so delicious, right? Wow. Voila. So delicious. I'm in heaven. If you love ice cream, this is the best. You can store the fruit salad in the fridge up to 3 days based on the freshness of the fruits. And this is my yogurt fruit salad breakfast, completed nutrition for starting the day. Thank you for watching. Hope you will enjoy the flavor of summer with every bite of this colorful fruit salad. And see you again in the next video. Thanks for subscribing and sharing.